Hey guys, Min here. So today I will talk to you about my travel toiletry bag. And you've seen this toiletry bag in my suitcase demo, and I'm going to show you what's actually inside. This little toiletry bag will carry lots of my liquids, including 6 different essential liquids I travel all the time with. So let's get started. Alright, so let's see what's inside. So let's open this sucker up, and what's inside is actually another toiletry bag. This is my liquid bag, so we'll address this next. And inside we have some razors, and this is actually my razor kit, my tongue cleaner, a comb, a toothbrush, but this is not my primary toothbrush, this is a backup. This is my primary toothbrush, which is Sonicare, what I travel with. There's floss, and also a nail clipper. Anything else? Nope, that's it. Alright, so the star of the show is actually what's inside this bag. There are, like I said earlier, they are 6 different key liquids that I use quite often. And how can I fit that many liquids inside this little pouch? It's magic. This is the key. These little pouches are 30 milliliter pouches and liquid pouches, which is under 1 fluid ounces, and they can be flat. And I have 6 of them. This is actually face wash. This is a shaving cream. This is a shower gel. This is a face lotion, shampoo, and we have hair gel. So all that, 6 different liquids here in this thing, so you can actually lay flat and fit it into this little pouch. In addition to that, I have a few other things that I may or may not need. I got some sampled face wash from Kale. This is really cool stuff. I got a 50 SPF sunblock, UV ray, and I have this stem cell skin perfection lotion, and also this little thing I got from Weston a long time ago, which help you sleep. Put it on your temple to help you sleep. And I have this Sarah cream from Japan. This is supposed to keep my foot dry and socks, everything dry. But all this is inside this little pouch, which fits inside this bag. And the key and the magic are these little things. Alright, so I hope this was helpful to you. The key, like I said, is the little pouch. I'll put the links below so you can see if you wanted to get some yourself, but this significantly helped me get my travel toiletry bag reduced down the size, and it helps me a lot. I hope it helps you too. Alright, I will see you next time. Bye!